and welcome to the new video with a new chapter, adverbs. So let's start the chapter. Chapter 16, adverbs. So in this chapter, you will learn about what is an adverb and kinds of adverb. Now, what is an adverb? Read the following sentence carefully. Neetu writes neatly, Granny walks very slowly. It is quite dark outside. So in the above sentences में जो colored words है neatly, very, quite add something to the meaning of the verb. Writes, the adverb slowly and the adjective dark respectively. तो hence these are adverbs. तो ये adverbs हो गए. Thus we can say, हम बोल सकते हैं the words जो modify करते हैं verb को, adjective या another adverb को, उन्हें हम adverbs कहते हैं. Now comes kinds of adverb. Adverbs are mainly of 6 kinds के adverb होते हैं. पहला होता है adverb of time. An adverb of time tell us the time of doing an action. Adverb of time हमें बताता है कि हमें कोई भी अगर काम करना है तो किस समय करना है. It answers the question beginning with when. तो इसमें starting होती है when से. We go to school, हम school जाते हैं in the morning. Aman reached home late at night. The end came soon. Now adverb of place. Place होती है जगह. An adverb of place shows करता है place where the action takes place. कहाँ पर हो रहा है action. It answers the question beginning with where से शुरू हो रहा है. Chavi is not here. Students are outside. Sit down. He looked up. फिर आता है adverb of manner. This type of adverb explain करता है manner in which an action takes place. किस manner में action हो रहा है, किस तरीके से आप काम कर रहे हो. It answers the question beginning with how. She acts very wisely. Soldiers fought bravely. It rained heavily. Manu speaks clearly. फिर आता है adverb of degree. It shows how much या what extent an action is done. कितना काम हो रहा है, कितनी हद तक काम हो रहा है. Monica has enough money to buy toys. He was almost satisfied. You are quite wrong. फिर आता है adverb of number. This type of adverb shows करता है how often कि काम अगर हो रहा है तो कितना हो रहा है, work or action is done. He went to the market twice. Barking dogs seldom bite. Adverbs of interrogation. These adverbs are used to ask questions के लिए होते हैं. Why did you come late? Where are you going? फिर आता है formation of adverbs. Adverbs को आप form कर सकते हो by adding ly to the adjectives like slow, slowly, happy, happily, calm, calmly, sad, sadly, wise, wisely, easy, easily. Now moving ahead with time to answer, take the correct option. The adverbs modify the verbs, adjectives, all of these. Adverb of time answer the question. Time बताता है when. Adverb of place answer the question where, जगह. We make adverbs by adding ly to the adjectives. Now underline the adverbs in the following sentence. All the children were talking loudly in the class, loudly. Payal always packs her bag neatly. It is raining heavily. Giant looked angrily at the jack because he had stolen his hen. Snow White slept peacefully on the beds of drops. Jerry cleverly tapped Tom and ran into his hole. Moving ahead, frame the adverbs with the following adjectives. High, say highly. Foolish, foolishly. Slow, slowly. Poor, poorly. Quick, quickly. Rude, rudely. So like this, you just have to complete the parts like this. So I hope you all have understood the chapter. Complete the exercises. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.